In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on IKEA. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch the site to the language you prefer by choosing the correct country or region, and you'll understand what changes along with it. Start by opening your web browser and searching for IKEA login. From the results, open the official IKEA login page for your area. This makes sure you're on the right site with the correct options. On the login page, enter your account details and click Login. Signing in isn't always required to change language, but doing it first keeps your preferences consistent across the site. Once you're in, look to the upper left-hand side of the page. You should see the current language displayed, often shown as English or paired with a country name or flag. Click that language label. This opens the region and language control, which is where IKEA groups language settings with country and store selection. In the panel that appears, choose change country/region. This is the key step. On IKEA's website, the language you see is tied to the country site you use, so changing country/region is how you change the language. After you click it, you'll see a list of options. On the right-hand side, look for the section that helps you pick a store or market. Click Store to browse the available online stores. You'll see country-specific sites such as ikea.my for Malaysia, ikea.de for Germany, and so on. Find the online store that matches the country and language you want. This choice affects more than just text on the page. It also controls currency, local availability, delivery areas, and promotions. So pick the one you plan to shop from. When you found the right market, click Go Shopping. That takes you into the local IKEA site. Give the page a moment to refresh. You should now see that the site language has changed along with localized content like prices and product availability. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If the language doesn't update immediately, refresh the page or navigate to the home page. Some countries offer multiple languages on the same site. If you see a language drop down after switching countries, use it to fine-tune your choice. Remember that switching to a different country may mean different delivery options and stock. So confirm you're in the correct market before you check out, and if you ever want to change it again, repeat these same steps. Open the language label on the upper left, select Change Country/Region, choose the appropriate store, and go shopping. That's it. You've successfully changed the language on IKEA by selecting the right country or region.